Good morning, my name is Adrian Pacheco, and today going to chat about CCUS applied to the cement industry Ecuador. Cement is one of the most used construction materials in the world and is one of those that has the most negative impact on the ecosystem. Its manufacture causes the impact of war on ecosystem, emission of greenhouse gases, emission of dust, inadequate management of effluents, hazard flows, and non-hazard materials. Industry is the origin of about 7% of total CO2 emissions. Ecuador is one of the Latin American countries with the highest consumption of cement per capita. The construction sector represents one of the most dynamic and important in the economy, employing thousands of people. The industries that dominate the market are Holcim, Unacen, and Lucen. The first two being the ones that lead the market. The future emission due to the production with the help of the IPCC conversion factor, a quick estimate of the emission associated with cement production can be made. A factor of 0.49 tons of Q2 tons of cement produced was used, for which technology improvement for the prevention of emissions are not taken in account. Company has implemented measures to improve their process to reduce greenhouse gas. However, the reduce are limited. Some research on alternative fuels needs to be explained. Gases continue to be produced a large extent and there are no magical to exclusive counts to Q2 emissions. Has can be seen just talking about Ecuador. The potential for applying CCUS is immense. Since even if fossil fuels were no longer used in cement manufacturing, Q2 will continue to be emitted due to the nature of the cement creation process. CCU technology can reduce the emission of gases at the source and capture, produce, and reuse part of it that would go direct into the environment, which leads to a positive impact on the environment benefiting society. The application challenge consists in achieving the economic viability of the project and use of the substances. Currently, pushing CCUS technology into operation requires considerable capital, so it is unlikely to be implemented without regulatory pressure. However, by the year 2030, it is speculated that the cost will decrease by approximately half. That the cost is unlikely that this technology will be introduced without regulatory pressure. The usual thing is to store this carbon in geological formation, saline formation by means of injection increase for its biological physiology and in all deposits of coal and gas. Any realistic CO2 store and utilization system must be effective and competition in implementation, operation, and management costs. Allow a stable long-term store environment beneath. Some one of the CCUS technologies that can be applied to the cement industry. Capture of CCU2, which denotes leakage. It is an effective and protection material to capture CQ2. However, its performance depends largely on the temperature at which it is worked and it presents a natural distortion. Capture of Q2 with membrane process systems are applied in various industries such as electricity and steel. In the cement industry, they can capture up to 80% of the Q2 emitted by production. Costs vary depending on the capture rate. Capture of Q2 with solvent biodegradable solvents can capture Q2. Proper and a sorting process, they have a good removal performance. However, it varies depending on the gases contained in the mixture. Development of new types of cement. A calcium carbonate cement system has been developed that mimics the mineralization process of Q2 to biogeomet or geometrical deposits of uh, car due to the fact that during its manufacture more Q2 is captured than which is used. Although the installation costs are high, the Q2 collection offered through the process can be sold since it is precious and common material for various industries. In conclusion, the cement industry is an important matter in Ecuador. The manufacture of the material requires the burning of fossil fuels, causing about CO2 emissions. Even if fossil fuels are no longer used, there will always be emissions in the manufacturing process since much resource is still needed in the area of alternative fuels. A CCUS project is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for scientific and economical for the state, as it is a new source of income. Carbon harvesting helps combat climate change not only by not allowing cigarettes to restore the atmosphere, but with this component, many industries can be fed in such a way that the circular economy is promoted. Some of the new uses that are thought for the capture substance are scented fuels, manufactured consumer material, creating fertilizers, etc. The application of CCUS technology will not be carried out in the country until the implementation price is favorable. In the aspect it is necessary to analyze what would be most appropriate type of technology depending on the circumstance. The state must promote and regulate the use of the technology since combating climate change is a fundamental duty of each nation. Thank you.